trying to see if Hunter will hop in today. We usually take a shower with Mom. Excuse me, no bites. I don't think he wants it. He's like, no, Mom, let's go in the shower. You wanna go? No, thank you, Mom. There we go. Ooh. Not sure? Oh, we're getting there. Building the trust. There you go. Good boy. Where's Mama's good boy? Yeah. Get in the water. What's the splash? He wanted to, but he's like so scared. Get him. Splish splash, Hunter. Splish splash. Come on. It's not filling up in the sink. You gotta get in the little tap. Oh, back up, Mom. I got this. All right. Mimi.